Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm walking you through how to quickly request a refund on the Temu app. Let's get started. First, open the Temu app and log into your account. Tap the Orders section to review your recent purchases. Find the item you want to refund and select Return or Refund. Choose your reason from the drop-down menu like Item damaged, not as described, or didn't arrive. Upload the photos or videos as evidence if needed. This speeds up the process. Temu's AI often reviews and approves the refunds within minutes for straightforward cases. If the automated system doesn't resolve it, use the contact support feature to chat with the live agent. They are available 24/7 and can escalate your request. For unpaid orders, you can cancel directly before the shipment. No refund needed. Pro tip: Temu's Part Protection Program guarantees refund for eligible items within 90 days of purchases. And that's it. You've just navigated Temu's refund process like a pro. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Let me know in the comments if you have ever requested a Temu refund. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.